Yeah. All right. Let's take 30 seconds to note down the objective given on the screen. So it says we'll be able to write the traits of characters using textual information. Traits means the qualities, the characteristics of all the different characters using some kind of information or evidence. So we'll be able to give a reason behind it. All right, Chandan, Lakshmi, CM, thank you, you guys. I hope others have also finished writing the objective. I'll wait for 10 seconds and then I'm going to move on. All right, moving on to
Teacher,
the. Yes.
teacher, what time do want parents want to come at 11 or 12?
What was given in the notice, follow that time.
Teacher in between 11 to 12.
Yeah. It's all given on the group already.
Teacher,
Hmm.
Teacher, Manisha teacher said that only parents.
Manisha teacher said that only parents will come.
Then send parents only.
Teacher,
When she
but our parents are not available.
हाँ तो talk to her, confirm this thing. When she informed me, she said कि जैसा सही रहे parents हो या students हो, send them to school.
And teacher now she says that only parents are
हाँ तो
compulsory.
tell her only कि parents are not available. Monday सुबह को parents कहाँ से आ जाएंगे? काम नहीं होता क्या किसी को?
We told teacher.
Tell her again. I'll also talk to her once after this class.
Okay, teacher.
All right. So right now what we are doing is everyone will open up your chat box. Okay. And one by one, we are going to answer these questions. We have to write the names of people who you think are funny, brave, smart, shy, talkative. Okay. So one by one, we'll do. Let's think of funny. Okay. So in this class only, not necessarily the ones present on this call, others also who are not on the call. Think of all those students in your class, of your friends, your classmates, and think who amongst these people do you think are the funny ones. Okay. So let's start replying for the first one right now. We are just thinking of the ones who are funny. Okay, we'll take 30 seconds for everyone to type in their names. So you get to nominate people. Who are the people you think are funny? Okay, Athar, Shubham, Patil. Oh, 2 votes for Patil. Udita, Soham, Vedant and Nisha. Again, 2 votes for Soham. Atharv got 2 votes. Shubham Khorde, Gopal, Anil, Pranali. Pranali also got votes. Adi, Anand, Pranali, Kaushik, Amay. Oh, Akanksha has a big list of people that she finds funny. All right, lovely. I can see a lot of names being repeated. Good, guys. Now you know that you are the funny ones in the class. Great, great. All right. These are the funny ones. Now let's move on to the second one, which says brave. So think of the students who, think of your classmates who you feel are the brave ones. Okay. And you can start writing. Again, we'll take 30 seconds only for this. The ones who you think are brave. Harsh Dubey, Priyanka, Adi, Anand, Shreya, Anil, Hardik, Shubham Khorde, Ganesh, Amay, Shubham Khorde, Adi. Oh, names are being repeated. Nice. Ganesh, Soham, Hardik, Ganesh, Jay, Priyanka, Ganesh, Amay. Oh, lot of names for lot of votes for Ganesh for being brave. Adi also, I can see quite a few votes. Priyanka's name I can see being repeated. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, so these were the brave ones of our class. Okay, now we are going to. All right. Now you're moving to the third category. Okay, it says smart. So the people of your class who you think are really smart, you have to write their names. Okay, start typing now. Adi says everyone. Okay, Ganesh, Lakshmi, Adi. Oh, again, lots of votes for Ganesh. Adi, Akanksha, Shreya, everyone. Gopal, Shubham Patil, whole class. Quite a few votes for the whole class being smart. I like it. Akash, Gopal, Priyanka, Ganesh, Adi, Anil, Gopal, Shreya. Yeah, guys, keep taking notes. See what others think of you. Okay. See कौन से कैटेगरी में सबसे ज्यादा वोट्स मिल रहे हैं. I'll also take notes. तुम्हारे फेयरवेल के लिए काम आएगा. I'll give you these titles only. Miss Funny, Miss Brave, Mr. Brave. All right. Lovely. So, now that we are done with the third one, let's go on to the fourth one. People in your class who you think are shy. थोड़ा शर्मीले टाइप के हैं. Who are the ones? Start writing the names. गणेश अरे गणेश को 4 वोट्स मिल गए. 5-6 वोट्स मिल गए गणेश को. 2 votes for स्मृति, साक्षी, अमय, हर्ष दुबे. अच्छा, हु इज गणेश वोटिंग फॉर? सब तो गणेश को वोट डाल रहे. गणेश किसको वोट दे रहा है? गणेश, कैन यू रीटाइप योर आंसर? आई कांट फाइंड योर रिप्लाई. गणेश है ना कॉल पे? Yeah, Ganesh is there. Ganesh, can you please send your reply? I'm curious now. Oh, he's also voting for himself? No, he has written Hardik. Great. All right, now moving on to... He's shy to say who is shy. Okay. Moving on to the fifth category. Okay, ready everyone? I know कौन सा vote सबसे ज़्यादा आएगा, but still. Okay, number 5, talkative. The ones who are most talkative in class. I knew it. Pranali और Bhumika were on top of my list as well. Akash, Bhumika, Pranali, Bhumika. Gopal, again Akash. No, Akash is also winning quite a few votes. Shreya, Akash, Bhumika. And Akash, who have you voted for? Same goes for Bhumika and Pranali. Can you guys resend your answers? Akash, Bhumika and Pranali. Who guys are you voting for? Oh, Pranali says Shreya. Bhumika and Akash? Your votes go to? Akash has nominated himself. Akash and Pranali. Lovely. Bhumika says wait. Okay, I'll wait for a few seconds. Bhumika is also nominating herself. Priyanka पीछे से songs गाती. Is that the same as being talkative तो? अगर गाने ही तो गा रही है. All right, thank you everyone. So right now you have nominated quite a few people into these categories. ठीक है? Now all these 5 categories that were on the screen, these were all your character traits, right? Or qualities that you assign to certain people. Now my question to you is, and I'm going to cold call you for this one. My question is, why did you assign the quality to that person? So whichever qualities were given on the screen, whatever names you took for that quality, I want you to think, why did you assign that quality to the person? So if you're saying the person is really talkative and you voted Bhumika, Pranali or Akash's name, I want you to think, why did you do that? Okay, what reasons, what examples do you have for that? Okay, think for 10 seconds and then I'm going to cold call your name and I'll listen to your whole thought process. Okay, think exactly आपके दिमाग में क्या क्या गया that you assigned that talkative quality to the person or brave quality to the person? Think for 10 seconds for each and every step. What was the thought process in your mind? Lovely. I can already see in the chat box based on actions, behavior, what we can see as their actions by knowing how that person is, what their reactions, actions, everything are, behavior, regular actions. All right, all right. Yeah, this is the general thing, right? You look at the behavior of a person, you think of the times they acted that way, and then you think, okay, so I conclude that this person is shy or talkative. But I would like to deep dive a little bit more. So I'm going to go up in the chat box. And one by one for the qualities we'll discuss. Okay. Let's first hear from Pranali. Pranali, please unmute yourself. Who did you vote for? Brave.
Teacher, I vote to pray for Shreya.
To Shreya. All right. So the moment I asked you the question, who do you think is brave in class? Exactly what was the thought process in your head?
Teacher, that she is brave because when in any bad situation or any in fighting situation or with friends is jagda, then she comes to help me.
She comes to help whenever there is any friend is in trouble. So that was an action you saw in class at one point?
Yes, teacher.
All right. And is this something you have seen her do a lot of times frequently?
हाँ teacher.
All right. All right. So, see, Pranali, what you did was you thought of what the person usually does, what are the recurring actions of that person, and you thought of one or two particular examples, and then you decided, yeah, I think this person is brave because they're fighting for their friends, they're standing up for themselves, and that's why they're brave. All right. One more example. Let's hear from Smriti. Smriti, when I asked about who is the funny person in class, who did you vote for? Please unmute and answer.
Pranali.
You thought of Pranali. All right. So what was the thought process in your head? Pranali ke naam tak kaise pahunche? You thought of people. What kind of actions were you thinking of?
Teacher, when she give answer, she act like she don't know anything and she don't give answer.
Okay.
And
So
she do like funny things.
make others laugh. She does that.
Yeah.
All right. And normally when you talk, does she usually crack jokes or try to make people laugh around her?
Yes, teacher.
All right. So based on those actions, you said Pranali is the funny one. Similarly, let's ask one more person. Let's hear from Shubham Patil. Shubham Patil, when I talked about someone being, what were the qualities? Okay, when I said that someone is shy in your class, who did you think of? And why did you think of them?
No one.
No one you thought was shy. Okay, let's talk about being brave.
Yes, that Ganesh and all.
Okay, so what made you think of them? Shubham Patil, question is for you only. What made you think of Ganesh? I would prefer if you answer orally. Then it will be quicker.
The humbleness and kindness.
Okay, because he's humble and kind and he has shown it on occasions. Can you think of one particular example? कभी class में ऐसा देखा है?
A fight between him and like Gopal, Ganesh and Gopal. Just he stopped. Like he was humble at that time and not was like he did not had ego of his powers.
So are we talking about
Braveness.
humble or being brave? Which one are we discussing?
Brave.
So why is
No.
humble, being humble equal to being brave? Yeah, so Shubham Patil, I would like you to think again. If you're thinking someone is brave, what kind of action will you imagine them doing? Okay, change your
Facing a
answer.
situation.
Facing a situation. What else? What makes a
Yes,
person
that
brave?
only.
All right. Anyone else who wants to add to this or share their nomination, who they voted for, and why they thought the person was brave? Anyone who wants to share? Jay, no writing on the screen. All right, Lakshmi, can I hear from you? Who did you vote for being brave?
Yes, teacher.
Who did you vote for brave?
I voted Priyanka because she helps me, and sometimes if any fight happens, she come and solve.
Okay. So normally standing up for themselves, fighting with someone, fighting for their friends, these are the qualities you thought of, and you thought कि ऐसा ऐसा मैंने किसको करते हुए देखा है, and then you thought of that person. So Lakshmi thought of Priyanka. All right, lovely. So a general thought process that I can think of is, you normally first think that what does the person usually say and do. Okay, so this is the common bit. Follow my mouse cursor. All right. This is the common part. So, what does the character, what does the person say and do? So, you normally thought, let's take Lakshmi's example only. Okay, she said Priyanka, she feels Priyanka is brave. So, how did she reach that conclusion? She said, she thought, what does the person normally say and do? Priyanka normally stands up for her friends, fights for her friends. Okay, what does the person think and feel? Lakshmi, you only unmute and answer. What do you think Priyanka thinks and feels in these situations?
That why you are fighting for why do you are fighting from my friend and what happened? She take the situation and then uh, solve that.
All right, so I'm going to type also alongside. Wait, fights for friends. She thinks and feels that. Okay, can I write? She feels the need to protect her friends.
Yes.
Okay, protect her friends. What's the need to fight? She thinks of that, right? When you look at her, what makes you, from her physical appearance, what makes you think that yeah, she's brave? What kind of expressions can you see on her face?
She do not get afraid.
Okay, so not afraid, that look you can see on her face. All right. And have you heard others also say the same about her? I'm saying thought of by others. So do others also think the same way about Priyanka? Have you ever heard of that?
Yes.
All right. So others also feel the same. And what does she make you feel?
Strong.
All right. She makes you feel strong, or you think that she's strong?
She makes me strong.
Or she makes you
By
strong
her
by
support.
protecting the people around her? Okay, so makes her strong, maybe inspires her to a certain bit. And based on all these things, you reach the conclusion that your friend Priyanka is brave. All right, so that's the normal process that we can think of. This was for Priyanka. Let's take another example. Okay, now similarly, we are going to fill the table. Okay, let's think of one more point. I think Ganesh got a lot of votes for being shy. Okay, so I'm going to use his example. Let's write Ganesh's name here. and we are going to follow the same process. Any one person who voted for Ganesh for being shy, can you please unmute and participate in this process? We'll walk
Teacher,
through
I
the
am.
rules. All right, lovely. Pranali, what does Ganesh usually say and do? उसके actions कैसे रहते हैं?
टीचर एक्शन बाय हैंड ओनली एंड बार बार सिर को हाथ लगाता है.
Okay. So can I say that also he doesn't talk a lot?
हाँ टीचर. He talks a lot but not front of teachers.
Okay. So I'll write doesn't. What am I writing? Doesn't talk in front of everyone. Okay. That's what he says and does. Anything else you said? Touches his head again and again.
हाँ.
Touches his head frequently. All right. What do you think he's thinking and feeling at these times when he's not talking in front of others?
Scary.
Okay, maybe he's a little scared. What else?
Nothing. Nervous. Nervous also.
Nervous. Okay, lovely. Good, good. I
आवाज
like
कम
how you're
करना.
making connections. All right. And what, when you look at him, what do you think? What makes you think that he must be nervous or scared? Something about his physical appearance?
Physical appearance.
Huh. When you look at him, what makes you think that, yeah, he must be afraid of talking in front of everyone, or yeah, any particular look on his face?
अरे यार. Teacher, no idea.
All right, I think we can.
Teacher,
repeat
can I
the-
tell?
Yeah, who is this? Akanksha. Yeah.
Teacher, from his face reactions.
So what kind of reactions do you see on his face?
Teacher, he do not talk with anyone and do his work when he wants.
Okay. So it one thing that I have noticed is he does not like making a lot of eye contact. Okay, he looks here and there. He looks down into his notebook. So also I think we can repeat this same two things: scared and nervous, right? From his face also we can say that he might be feeling a little nervous. Ganesh, I hope you don't mind using you as an example.
And teacher, he do not participate also.
Does not participate in what?
In anything like any functions or more than functions, and if anyone comes visits in our school, do not talk with them.
Okay. And what do others think of him? Whenever you have a conversation about him with your friends, what have others also pointed out? Pranali or Akanksha, any one of you can answer.
Somebody thinks that he is shy. Somebody thinks that he is more concentrating in studies.
Okay, so others feel he's more conscious about himself. Is that what you said?
Concentrating in studies.
Oh, concentrating in studies. So others think he concentrates in his studies.
More than fighting and only concentrate on studies.
Okay, so I can also say he doesn't get involved in others' matters. He just do what he wants to do, right?
Yeah,
In his
yeah.
own world. All right, sticks to himself, I'll say. All right, and what does he make you feel? When you look at him, what do you think about him, or what does he make you feel? Both Akanksha and Pranali, again, you guys can answer.
Teacher, sometimes he be angry also.
Sometimes he'll be angry also. But what does that make you feel when you look at all these actions, that he's not talking in front of others, or he's touching his head, or he's
Confusing myself only that what he is doing.
You become a little confused on looking at him.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But why does he make you feel confused?
टीचर वो कब क्या करता है उसको ही पता.
So you're not able to predict what he's doing. That's
Yeah,
the-
yeah.
So unpredictable, I will say. All right. Now, once we look at all these actions, we see that normally what are the
Teacher.
things he's doing. Who is that?
Teacher Atharva.
Athar. Want
Teacher
to ask-
make you feel funny also
Makes you feel funny. How?
because of his action and his talk, how he talk.
Because of the way he's acting and how he's talking. Maybe because he's different from you. That's why you feel a little funny.
Teacher.
Okay. So I will just write he acts different, right? Yeah. So in conclusion, when we look at all these things, we see he might seem a little scared or nervous, or he's touching his head. He's sticking to his own things. ठीक है, बाकियों के मामलों में दिमाग नहीं लगाता है ज़्यादा, अपना काम करता है, concentrate करता है अपने पढ़ाई पे. Looking at all these things, doesn't talk in front of everyone comfortably. So looking at all these things, one might say that he is shy. That is what we decided, right? So the normal thought process happens like this only. Okay, you think of the actions you have seen the person doing again and again. उसको देख के क्या लगता है? What are the physical expressions or the actions that he is doing? See, the touching the head frequently, that is also one of the physical actions. So looking like maybe ये डाल सकते हैं. Okay, then doesn't participate in functions. That's also an action. What others think of him, that he's sticking to himself, whatever work he has, concentrates in his studies. ऐसा करके we reach the conclusion that the person is shy. Okay, so normally whenever you're reading a chapter also or a text, a lesson, a story, the writer will not directly tell you what the person is like, what is the character trait. The writer will not directly write that, oh, this person ABC is very brave, and then carry on with the story. Many a times it will be mentioned, but many a times it might just be told to you via the story. So से story में वो ऐसा लिख देगा writer कि this person ABC, he fought with the lion to save his family. ठीक है, and after reading this line you will think, oh, the person is fighting with the lion. Okay, the person is trying to save their family, and I think all these actions add up to make him brave. So that is how you follow the general thought process and you reach a conclusion that, okay, this is the trait of this person, this is the character of this person. All right, what we'll do right now is we'll read a couple of paragraphs and we'll try to decide, based on the information, based on the paragraph, we'll try to decide what kind of a character trait does this person have. हमको directly नहीं बोला होगा कहीं पे भी कि oh, this person is brave or funny or smart, but we'll read the paragraph and we'll try to decide what kind of a person are they. All right, so on your screens you can see character traits. So there is one paragraph given here. I will request, let's see who's in the participant list. Oh, Jay hai. Jay, I will request you to read this paragraph given on screen. Read it loudly, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, start.
When Antonio walked into the classroom, he accidentally bumped into the door frame. He took a few more steps and then tripped over a chair leg and fall flat on his face.
All right, thank you, Jay. The two words were bumped and tripped. Okay, उसको साथ में बोलना है D को. All right, thank you so much, Jay. Now, based on this paragraph, there are given 4 options at the bottom. So, what character trait do you think best describes Antonio? पहले वो क्लास में घुसते वक्त दरवाजे से धक्का खा गया, bumped into the door frame. Then थोड़ा और चलने के बाद he tripped over a chair leg. ऐसे पैर फंस के चेयर पे गिर गया, सीधा fell flat on his face. So based on these couple of actions, हमको directly कहीं भी नहीं बताया what kind of a person Antonio is, what are his traits. But based on these actions, what will you say? Which one of these 4 options suit him the best? So you have to write in the chat box. Okay, don't unmute. Directly write in the chat box. So there are 4 options: coordinated, foolish, clumsy, and unkind. Which one do you think best describes Antonio? Only of these, select from these 4, okay? Priyanka is writing careless. Please select from these 4 options. Okay, I can see a lot of votes for clumsy. Yeah, clumsy is the answer. Just to put it in clear words, clumsy just means some person who, a person exactly like Antonio. Yeah, Antonio is a clumsy person. मतलब वो normally चलने फिरने में भी कहीं धक्का खा जाता है, कहीं कुछ गिरा देता है या खुद ही गिर जाता है. So really clumsy. उसका hand eye coordination वगैरह बहुत खराब है. So the coordination is really bad, and that's why he either falls over or he bumps into something, or things fall from his hand. That will happen a lot. Okay, that's the meaning of clumsy. Similarly, we are moving on to the next paragraph. Again, in a similar manner, you will have to vote for which quality do you think best describes the person. Second paragraph is on the screen. I will request Harsh Gupta to read it out. Please unmute and read loudly read the paragraph. Harsh Gupta. किधर गया? अच्छा, इसका नाम लेते ही he dropped off the call. Lovely. I'm not adding him back in. Timir, can you read it out?
Yes.
Yeah.
The 4th of July is Andy's favorite holiday. Every year he puts American flag out in his front yard to help celebrate. He also deco- um, he
Decorates.
also he also decorate the house with red, white, and blue
Streamers.
streamers.
Streamers. Lovely. Thank you, Timir. So 4th of July is Independence Day for America. And Andy is clearly American, and he's putting out flags on his yard. He's decorating the house with red, white, and blue streamers. Red, white, and blue are the colors of the American flag. Okay, so based on this, I can already see answers pouring in. Yeah, out of entertainer, patriotic, selfish, and friendly, the one that best suits Andy is patriotic. Exactly, Desh Bhakt hai wo, right? He wants to celebrate his country's Independence Day, and he wants to decorate his house with the colors of the flag. So he's showing, exactly, thank you Priyanka, he's showing his love for his country. So the writer did not have to tell us alag se ki, oh, Andy is a patriotic person. No, he showed us a couple of his actions, and based on the actions we could easily say that, yeah, Andy is a patriotic person. All right, moving on to the next one. I will request Shreya Sonavne to read this one.
Yes, teacher. Raj got a new bike for Christmas even though he had a helmet. He decided not to wear it. He jumped on his bike and took off as fast as he could down the middle of his street. When a car came driving down the street, Raj tried to race it. What character trait best describes Raj? Dangerous, grateful, thoughtless, or frightening?
All right. Thank you so much, Shreya, for reading it so well. Guys, you can start voting. Which one do you think it is? So he got a new bike for Christmas, and even though उसके पास helmet था, उसने उसको पहना नहीं. Jumped on his bike. He was racing down the street. So out of these 4, dangerous, grateful, thoughtless, and frightening, I can see quite a few votes for dangerous and quite a few votes for thoughtless also. Yeah, I think both of these make sense. Okay, let's try the elimination process once. Elimination process में चारों में से जब हम confusion है, so we'll try to eliminate one point so that we reach the final conclusion. Let's start with frightening. Do you think he was frightening? Was he scaring someone?
No.
No.
So not frightening. Let's cancel out frightening. ठीक है, frightening तो वो है नहीं. Do you think he is grateful?
No.
No.
Grateful would mean कि he is really thankful to someone or something. No, ऐसा कुछ मुझे इस paragraph में नजर नहीं आ रहा. So not grateful either. All right. Do you think he was thoughtless? The ones who are saying yes, why do you think he was thoughtless?
Teacher, because he does not thought, he was so excited and he did not took the helmet. He got directly.
So thoughtless is exactly the meaning of thoughtless is a person who is not thinking. So in this case, why do you think Raj is not thinking?
He not thought about the accident will happen with him and he should wear helmet.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Lakshmi. So he's not thinking about the harms that he can cause himself or the other people on the street. Okay. So yes, thoughtless is also an option. What about dangerous? Do you think he's dangerous? The ones who said dangerous, why do you think so? Wait, I'll only ask. Vaishnavi, you voted for dangerous. Why do you think he's dangerous?
Teacher, he can come in front of the car.
He can come in front of car, but why dangerous will mean ki he's posing as a danger to others. So why is he a danger to others? क्या हो जाएगा, बाकियों को क्या खतरा है उससे? Vaishnavi, you can only answer. Yeah, Akanksha and Archita, you guys can leave.
Bye, teacher.
Okay.
Bye. Goodbye.
Yeah, thank you, Adi. Teacher is putting himself in danger as well as others, right? So yeah, he's a danger for himself as well as for others. So yeah, dangerous also. So I can see both of these happening. That's why both of these can be his character traits. Lovely. All right, moving on to the next one.
Teacher, can I leave?
Your brother also has an exam. Your
Sister.
sister.
Yes.
Acha. Go.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Yeah. Is there a volunteer who wants to read this one, or else I'll cold call?
Teacher, I want to read.
All right, Nikita. Nikita, please pause for 1 minute. Bhumika, have you taken a screenshot before these students left?
No.
No. All right. Do one thing. Take a screenshot right now. And the 3 students who left, उनका नाम मुझे अलग से लिख के भेजना. Archita, Lakshmi, and Akanksha. 3 people have left.
Okay, teacher.
ठीक है? Thank you so much, Bhumika. Yeah, Nikita, now you can read.
K got what is that, teacher?
$20.
$20 for her birthday to spend however she wanted to. She decided to invite her best friend Alex to go to the movie with her. Alex said she couldn't afford to go to the movies, so Kay offered to pay for her ticket.
All right. Thank you so much, Nikita. Which of these 4 qualities do you think describes K the best? Guys, you can write in the chat box. Was she agreeable? Agreeable means someone who is quite pleasant, like you feel good to talk to that person. Okay, was she agreeable? Was she polite? Was she respectful, or was she generous? 4 people have already voted for polite, waiting for others. All right. Chandan, I would love to hear from you. You have written polite. Which of these actions tells you that K was polite? Chandan, please unmute and answer, okay?
Teacher, she is not discriminating between her friends that your poor should not come with us. So she's giving his money to that friend and
But where does it say
inviting.
she did not discriminate between?
अरे I'm telling
यहाँ पे तो सीधा लिखा हुआ है she decided to invite her best friend. So एक ही दोस्त की बात हो रही है. It's not like she's selecting from a lot of friends. Continue, Chandan. Do you still think she's polite, or would you like to change your answer? Chandan, I'm asking you. Okay, you're confused. No worries. You can mute yourself, Chandan. Thank you. All right, let's see what others are saying. Polite, polite, respectful, generous. Oh, Priyanka has given the meaning. Thank you, Priyanka. Yeah. Again, because I can see a lot of confusion, let's try the elimination method. One by one, we'll start with agreeable. Agreeable का मतलब होता है person who is pleasant to talk to. ठीक है? You would like talking to her. Does anything in this paragraph tell you about her being agreeable? Maybe she is nice to talk to, पर क्या इस paragraph में ऐसा कुछ दिया हुआ है?
No, teacher.
Nikita, you have raised your hand. You can answer. Oh, by mistake. Okay. Someone said no in between. Vaishnavi is also saying no. Yeah. Maybe she's nice to talk to. Maybe she's pleasant to talk to. But nothing like that is given in this paragraph. So we don't know for sure. Okay, so not agreeable. पहला वाला नहीं है. Next is polite. Polite means बहुत प्यार से बात करना किसी से. But here does it say that she was talking really nicely and politely with everyone?
No, teacher.
Yeah, she asked her friend to the movies, but nowhere can I find the word polite. Her being polite, okay? कि वो प्यार से बात कर रही थी, बाकियों से भी प्यार से बात करती है, ऐसा कहीं नहीं दिया हुआ. Next is respectful. Means she is paying respect to someone, or she's really being considerate of some person.
Yes, teacher, it is.
But what exactly shows you that she is respecting the other person?
कौन वाला रिस्पेक्टिव है?
नहीं है, exactly, right? Maybe she is respectful, but no action says here that she was respecting the other person. It's a general thing, asking your friends to go to the movie on your birthday. इसमें respect वाला कुछ है नहीं. So एक बच गया generous. Generous means somebody who has a really big heart and will help others. Okay, and yeah, here the friend said that she couldn't afford for the movies, so K paid the money for her friend's ticket also. So yeah, we can say the person is generous. I'm going to mute everyone. Somebody's TV was on in the back. All right, I think we can stop at this point. So this is how you will decide what are the character traits of a person. Okay, you will look for information in the text. ऐसे खुद से मन से बना के नहीं बोलना है कि हमको लग रहा है ये polite है तो polite बोल देते हैं, हमको लग रहा है respectful है तो respectful बोल देते हैं. You'll have to look for the evidence in the information in the text, and then only you have to decide what is the trait of this person. So what I want you all to do is, for homework, you will be, I wanted to discuss this in class, but I think it's better if you read by yourself the chapter again and then you fill this up by yourself. So for the two characters, Anant and Smita from the story, you will read the chapter again and you will fill these two tables and hence decide what kind of character traits can you come up with. You can come up with more than one trait also. Okay, so for Anant also, you will think throughout the story, what are the things that he's saying and doing frequently? What is he thinking and feeling? What does he look like by physical appearance, or the things he's suffering from? What are those things? What do others think of Anant? And what does Anant make you feel? Okay, and based on that, you will have to assign 2 or 3 character traits to Anant. Same goes for Smita. And I will also add for the Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha Khan. Okay, for them also I'll add the same table, and that will be your homework. So you'll have to fill up this table and write 2, 3 character traits of these characters from the story. Will you be able to do that? All right, lovely. Yeah, I know you'll be able to do it. It's something you've been doing for so long. Yeah, Chandan, I'll repeat again. For homework, you have to fill these tables, okay? Here you can see the character's name, Anant. Anant is a character from the story. If you have read the chapter, you will know. You'll have to fill these things. So what does Anant say and do throughout the lesson? What are the frequent actions that you can see him doing? For example, I can think that he is really excited to meet or to go to Pandit Ravi Shankar's sitar program,
Concert.
right? The concert. And what does he think and feel? So you can write that he's always really excited about sitar programs and he wants to go to the concert. He's really, he has a high spirit for things. Okay, what does he look like in his physical appearance? You can say that he's really sick. So he's always bedridden. And what are others thinking of him? So his mother is trying to take care of him, thinks that he's really weak. The sister is trying to cheer him up, things like that. And what does he make you feel? Based on all these things, what are 2, 3 traits that you can think of for Anant? Similarly, you'll do for Smita, and you'll also do for the Pandit Maestro. All right, everyone. I will send this on the group. Yes, I know it's a really lovely PPT. I really like the color combination and the way it's like a comic, right? So I really enjoyed it. All right, I am going to stop recording right now. You guys can also drop off the call, and I will send the homework on group.
But bye, teacher.